Intuition exercise. Developing active intuition. One participant helps the other develop their practical intuition. Rules of the exercise. 2 participants seated on the floor in silence without noise or music. Taking turns, participant A will close their eyes and enter a deep state of transcendence, scanning their surroundings through their deep sensations. Once ready, they will invite participant B to begin their action. Participant B will keep their eyes open from the start, in a state of transcendence, to prevent their thoughts or anticipated intentions from influencing the sensation of participant A. They will then gently move one of their hands in a straight line toward the right or left cheek or nose of A. B will accompany the movement with their hand with full intention to help A feel the presence of the hand and the intention behind it as it moves toward their face. For a reason that is neither rational nor deliberated, participant A will gently reach out to meet their hand, guided by their intuition. A surprise for the mind. On the third attempt, A and B switch roles. It is important that both participants understand that this is not a competition and that they are helping each other. Do not overthink it. Simply let the active and passive movement flow. No one loses, no one wins. Both are practicing active intuition. We are Alain Robledo, Attel Trainer.